Thank you for watching the Andy's Randomness channel. Please feel free to like and subscribe and to follow Andy's Randomness on Twitter and Instagram at Andy's Randomness.
Okay, here we go.
What was your name? Sasha. Okay.
I was registered. I signed up when I was on the Q46.
Okay.
Yeah.
In person?
Yeah, in person.
Same thing happened with the alarm.
Okay.
Oh boy.
Did you get ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
All right, one moment.
Yes.
And
Good morning, everyone. Andy Pollock here from Passengers United. So, the state budget is due in less than 72 hours. And the chairman yesterday was on WCBS News Radio 880 making worst case scenario if Albany does not come through and does not provide the MTA funding. We could be looking at 2009 service cuts repeating itself all over again. Now, what would that mean? That would mean that there's a chance subway line service could get cut, bus lines could get cut. I certainly remember when the V train was cut almost 15 years ago. So I don't want to see that happen. And there's still rumors going around the grapevine that with the Queens Bus redesign, the Q30 route, it's basically a plan to cut that line along Utopia Parkway. So I'm asking Democrats, Republicans, Independents in the Assembly, in the State Senate, come through. We need a deal done by this Saturday, April 1st, because the last thing we need to see is budget cuts. That's the last thing anybody wants to see, where it could lead to, guess what? Fare increases, just like 2009. So we do not want to see that, especially with inflation the way it is right now. Everything else is going up. The last thing we need is to see our fares going up on the commuter rail lines and, of course, New York City Transit. So again, the clock is ticking, 72 hours left. You know, I'm hoping that Carl Hastie and Andrea Stewart-Cousins can come to the table and get a deal done. Stop playing politics with our service. So that's all I have to say for now. Thank you for hearing me out.